Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are heading over to the Polynesian. We're gonna get some lunch and some Dole Whip, of course, and we're gonna meet Rachel and Peter from Windermere Pear Park. So we're super excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so we parked at the TTC, and we're just walking over this nice little path over to the Polynesian. It's a nice little relaxing stroll over here. It's a perfect day. It's like 70 degrees and not a cloud in the sky. Great day for Dole Whip. And as you know, this is Josh and I's favorite resort. We're still walking over towards the great ceremonial house. It is super quiet this morning. Well, I guess it's afternoon now, it's noon. Everybody's either at the park or sleeping in, something. Very nice. We finally found some people. There's actually people staying at this resort. There's one of the pools. And we're almost there. Just head under this little bridge here and we'll be there. Gonna go in the side door. There we go. I love the smell in here. I need a candle that smells like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the little path. We're gonna walk the little path from here over to the Grand Floridian. It's a really nice, relaxing path, and that's gonna be in a separate video, so definitely stay tuned for that. Well, we just did a relaxing stroll from the Polynesian to Grand Floridian, so definitely check that out whenever we upload it. And now we're gonna head back, take the walk back. So it's not a very long walk. I think it took about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Depends on what side of Polynesian you're on to what side of the Grand Floridian you want to go to, but definitely a nice little stroll. And we were walking kind of slow too, so. So we're heading over to the Polynesian and we're gonna meet Rachel and Peter over there for some lunch and Dole Whip. It's a perfect day for Dole Whip. I think I said that already, but it really is. Just kidding. I thought I heard a monorail. Just kidding. Or is this guy coming? That's not a monorail. Sure, we'll see one though. It's a wedding pavilion. Or chapel, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there's a monorail. I turn around and here it comes. Going fast. And another one. Heading over to the Poly. We could have taken a monorail, but this walk is very nice. Very nice. And just like that, we're almost at the Poly. And over here, I was gonna show you, here is the Spirit of Aloha dinner show. This isn't where you go in at, but this is kind of like the back area. Tables, the stage. It's a really neat show and dinner experience. Josh and I've done it once. It was really good. Here's the Spirit of Aloha statue guy. There's a sign about it. Dinner show. Show times 5:15 and 8:15, Tuesday through Saturday. And it shows to go this way, so this would be the main entrance to it. And now we're back where we started. This is where we started our relaxing stroll video. So like I said, definitely look for that to come out sometime soon and check that video out. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the castle over here. See those little boats? When we were kids, we used to take those a lot. They're so much fun. You can rent them. I'm not quite sure how much they are an hour, but they're a lot of fun. We found a Disney duck. Hey, Mr. Disney Duck. He's hanging out. Now we're in line at Captain Cook's, the quick service restaurant here at the Polynesian. And we're gonna get some lunch. So here is our view for lunch. Not too bad, not too bad. Beautiful, actually. Some nice waterfall over here, and then over here is the outdoor Trader Sam's. It's not open. I don't think it opens till 4, maybe, something like that. But you can get drinks over here too, as well as inside. So really pretty area out here. Alright, our food just came. So Mom and Dad got the pulled pork sandwich without the coleslaw. So they put it on top with French fries. And I got the Hawaiian pizza. Yum yum. The flatbread. Super excited. It looks delicious. We found them, guys! Hey! They're gonna come join us. Alright, Dole Whip time. Best time. Yeah. Yay! And check out Rachel's shirt. Dole Whip and Chill. It's on her shop, dpcapparel.com.
Yeah, it's perfect for your Dole Whip needs.
That's right.
Oh, maybe dessert.
All right, do you guys go for the Dole Whip floats or the regular Dole Whips? We're in a vlog, guys.
Yeah, vlog.
You're the float? Okay. I actually, you know what? I've never had a float. Is that funny? I always just do the swirl. I do the Dole Whip swirl. Ooh, let's try it.
Okay, let's do it.
Are you guys gonna try one? Dad is.
Oh, I may just try the regular. I love the Dole Whip.
He likes the regular Dole Whip. I don't know, guys. I might have to try the float. I've never had it.
I just feel real sorry.
We got them, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Dole Whips all around.
I don't blame you.
Here, we got a cheers Dole Whip.
Hey, all right, let's go. Cheers.
Cheers.
I gotta get mine ready. Oh, that's awesome. I can hold some.
Check it out. We found a purple wall hat.
Woohoo!
And Rachel has to have it.
I have to have it.
I think I need it too.
I know. You have to have it.
All right, so we had our Dole Whips and we went shopping.
Yes.
So now we're heading back Dad, I don't know what Dad got, but he's got a big bag there.
Pretty heavy.
Looks like there's some goodies in
Some
there.
goodies in there. All right.
Going quick.
Might have to check those out. All right, guys. Well, that is it today for Magical Monday. We had so much fun.
We had a blast with our Dole whip.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, guys.
No problem.
So definitely subscribe if you haven't. Give us a like and a comment. Keep coming back for more videos. And also check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us. Use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.